In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to rename administrator account here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate to your keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Or either you can navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Run. In that way you'd be able to open this small window. So here you need to type a run command, which is netplwize. So it is netplwiz, netplwiz. And once done, click on the OK button to continue. In a few moments, you'll be able to open this small window called user accounts, where here you can see your username, the administrator, which what we're looking at. Another that is our user account. So we need to select for administrator, then navigate here to the properties beside removed, click on it, and from that you would be able to see this option for your administrator properties. So here, just type for username and rename that into the name that you would like to go with, and you can also set the full name. Okay, just put the full name here. And once you are satisfied with the username and full name, click on apply and then OK, and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you'd be able to successfully rename the administrator account here in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.